She's pretty well stripped now. Sad story. Full of absolute rust. Rust bucket. These are rusty. Here's the motor out of the rust bucket.
Look at that.
Now what's going on here?
Yeah. Look at that. Look how clean that is. All on the plugs. Gee. Yes. Hang on. She feels like she's got compression. Oh.
Bit of compression.
It has. Even too, so she could be a...
Pretty clean in there too.
It's pretty clean too, so I think she could be, clean.
We need to find out how many Ks are on the speedo.
Well, you can never have too many engines, Mike.
Well, you were like a V8 man.
Yeah, well.
But now what? You're a V12.
Yeah, I probably didn't need this one, but anyway, it was sort of just across at another factory, and it was cheap. So here it suddenly appeared. Another engine. So I think we'll just go through and we'll give it a compression test, and if it turning it over my balancer, it seems to be
Better than the other one.
It could be better than the other one, so we'll give it a compression test. We'll evaluate what we have, I think.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Gonna have the best for the motorbike.
Yeah, well, this is a fuel injected one, which is probably I don't want to go down because I don't like spending money. Trying to get this Lucas fuel injection working, that's a Mount Everest I don't need to climb. So yeah, probably put a couple of carbs on it with a couple of elbows and a small plenum, whatever I've got. And, yeah, give it a kick in the guts and maybe another run and evaluation. All right, strip all that gear off it.
Have to rebuild another distributor.
Well, no. If you come over here, if you follow me over here, I have the desirable distributor underneath. Here's the distributor that uses a Chev HEI module.
Gee, where'd you get that?
Just over there. Every corpse across the his factory.
Across the way?
Yeah, just sitting on a box of crap. He said, try this. So we will try this.
Cool.